Hi everybody, Michael Rosencrans here. We're here at the Clarkston Family Farm for the garden party. And guess what? You're invited. What do you say we take you around? Let's go. I am here with the one, the only, Chelsea O'Brien, and it's not just you. Who do you have with you today?
I am here with two of our founding members. We always like to reinforce this idea that this is the Clarkston Family Farm, an emphasis on family, emphasis on community. I always love talking about this as a grassroots community effort, and I had all these notes about our mission of sustainability and how we can get kids outside and how important it is to get them off the phone and their hands in the dirt.
And it also speaks to that community effort. I'll tell you what, in part of my role here, curriculum director, but some of the artwork that you see throughout the farm, and it's been such a joy to be part of this, and we do see thousands of students out here.
And starting 3 years ago, it didn't quite look like this, and I was just walking around going, wow. I've been bringing my oldest, now 11, Charlie, here since he was 4.
Yes.
And for me, it's one of the few places I know of that I can just let my kids run and be kids, and that's one of the things I love about this farm. So thank you, both of you. Thank you for having me here today. No place I'd rather be.
I am here with Paul Brown, Independence Township Treasurer. So it's the 3rd annual garden party today, and what a turnout it is. What a beautiful day. How you feeling about it so far?
I feel fantastic. What Chelsea's put together here really amazes me, and I have such fond memories of this property. Back in the 90s, late 80s and early 90s, I was a handyman here and took care of this property, took care of the horses, plowed the fields. And to see what she's done with this is really incredible. It gives me a lot of hope for the future of Clarkston schools. Really, we have an aging population, and this is the kind of program that brings young families into the community, and we have to have that to keep our community growing strongly.
Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for stopping by with us on the 3rd annual garden party. It was wonderful to have you all along today. Until next time, I'm Michael Rosencrans. Have a great day, everybody.